Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva for your CV. Canva provides thousands of professional, customizable templates, making the process straightforward and efficient. To begin, simply search for CV or resume in the Canva search bar. Then, select a template that perfectly aligns with your industry and personal brand. This initial step is crucial for setting the right tone and ensuring your application stands out to potential employers, giving you a significant advantage in your job search. Once you have chosen a template, it is time to personalize it. You can easily update all text fields with your unique personal information, work experience, and educational background. Feel free to change fonts, colors, and even background images to perfectly match your individual style and professional brand. Remember to upload a clear, professional headshot if the template includes one, adding a personal and approachable element to your application. Now, let us focus on the content itself. Make sure to include all essential sections such as contact information, a compelling summary or objective, and detailed work experience. When describing your achievements, use strong action verbs and quantifiable results to truly highlight your skills and impact. Aim for a concise CV, ideally 1 to 2 pages in length, to keep recruiters engaged and focused on your most relevant qualifications. Before you share your masterpiece, take a moment for a thorough review. Proofread carefully for any grammatical errors or typos, as even small mistakes can detract from your professionalism. Once satisfied, download your finished CV as a PDF file, which is the standard and most professional format for job applications. You can then easily share your CV directly via email or generate a shareable link right from Canva, making distribution simple.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.